Hi YouTube, in this video I'm bringing back to life MacBook Air 13-inch A1466 battery from 2012 to 2017 model. And I already tried repairing it actually. It started taking charge for like 2 seconds and it just stopped. And the original cell voltage, it was like 1.4 volts, and it after this first initial charge, it jumped to 1.7, but it's still not enough to keep the controller going, looks like. So it has to be, what I mentioned is it has to jump at about 2 volts, and then it will start charging. So I just wanna let you know that from my experience. So if the repair does not go through first time, you just need to press it several times. Sometimes when some of the batteries I actually tried 5-6 times, and after the 6th time the voltage went over 2 volts and it started charging. So let's go ahead and try to do it again. Okay. Okay, let's see what we have. Okay, it started taking charge. Let's see if it's gonna go through this time. Yep, see? Same thing. So this is the second time basically. I don't know, it's actually... Yeah, it's over 2 volts, so it is going through on this one. Okay. Yeah, so we can raise current a little bit up to 500 milliamps. Yep, so this battery will leave. As you can see, this battery has 91% of its original full charge capacity, design capacity I mean, and 290 cycles, manufactured in 2015. So once again, excellent battery with the controller in fail-safe mode. Anyway, and also I wanna talk a little bit about fuses on this battery, because this battery was actually showing 40% in the computer, and it was not charging, so it was not running off the battery. So on these batteries, they have a little like kind of thermal fuses. I already took care of this one, but let me get this one out. So I'm gonna explain a little better here. So this is the fuse, okay, and this is just a plastic cover basically of this fuse. So all you need to do is just pop this cover out, okay, and this is the fuse. So what happens is, if there's because this battery came from the liquid damage unit, so if there's a short, some kind of a short that caused by the water, I'm not exactly sure what exactly causing that, but this fuse heats up, and this solder right here, let me get the plastic tool, it melts and it just disconnects these 2 contacts. So the main contacts here for the fuse is on this side and on that side. So when it heats up and it senses the short, sometimes on one battery I had a short on a cell right here, the water got yeah, so in here in this area, and it shorted positive and negative terminals here on this cell, and that's what actually caused the fuse to fail too. So this is some kind of a low melt solder. So the best case, of course, is to replace it. But if you clean your soldering tip real good, you can actually spread it out and connect back, with the same solder, connect back these two contacts here and here. Make sure the center, and and both sides are connected, everything is together. And so you have a continuity from this side to that side, and in this case, your fuse will be working again. And I believe, since it is the same solder that was originally used here, it should be good to go. I mean, the best case scenario is actually to replace it. But I was testing this one, see how it goes, and it actually fixed the problem. So it's not just the fuse though, so even if you fix or replace this fuse, and if you do not reset the controller, it will not do any good. It will not do anything. Actually, it's going to be the same. It's not going to work, it's not going to charge. So you have to reset controller after you mess with the fuse. Okay, so just wanted to show you. Thank you very much for watching.